Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to transform your own photo into a fun toy style animated versions of yourself. And the best part, it's super easy and completely free. Okay, let's get started. First, you will need an app called Dreamface, and if you don't have it yet, just open the Play Store and then search for Dreamface, and then just install it. Once it's installed, just open the app and then just sign in with your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface will offer a free plan that it will give you some weekly credits plus daily limited generations. So you can try these effects without paying. And then after you are logged in from the home screen, just tap on the magic effects and then just scroll down until you find the one called Toy Me. This one, just tap on it. And then select the photo of yourself from your gallery. Make sure it's a clear picture of your face so the result will look better. And then after selecting your photo, just hit create, this one. Like this. As you can see, your toy animated versions is ready. It's super cute like this. And then you can save it directly to your phone and then just share it on your social media right away. And so that's how you turn your photo into a cute toy styled animated character in just a few steps. It's super quick, super easy, and totally free. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!